Hello everyone, welcome back again. In today's tutorial I am going to show you how to create business infographic with 5 quotes. So let's see how to do this in PowerPoint. First go to Insert tab, Shapes and insert circle. Remove outline. Then insert triangle and flip vertical. Remove outline. Align that to the circle so that it overlaps well with the circle. Insert small circle. Remove outline. Change its fill color to yellow. Adjust the circle size and align it well so that it merge well with the triangle. Duplicate the circle, increase its size. Overlap that with the triangle edge. Select the triangle, circle, and do subtract. Select all the shapes and give same yellow color. Duplicate the big circle and change its color to light gray. Duplicate the gray circle and add gray gradient to it. Select all the yellow shapes and combine using Merge Shape, Union. Select all the shapes and group. Align that to the center of the slide. Insert a circle, align that to the middle, center of the slide. Remove fill. Add red outline. Increase its size, so that it completely overlaps the grouped object. Group all the objects. Duplicate it 4 times, align that to its original position. Rotate all the duplicated shapes, so that the quotes are spreaded as a circle. Select all the grouped shapes and ungroup. Delete the shapes with red outline. Select all the shapes and increase its size a little. Add different gradient colors for each quotes. Finally, add text and icons to the layout. So here it's our final slideshow. Hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Also don't forget to click notification bell icon. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you in my next video.